everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Winter cold front brings damaging winds and rain to the southeast corner of Australia. Damaging winds and a fat dump of the rain are likely to hit large parts of the Victoria, Tasmania and the ACT early this week. The second week of winter is forecast to bring a seasonal cold front through southeast Australia, which will push northwards to Sydney by Wednesday. The forecasters from the weather zone predict parts of the Tasmania could get destructive winds up to 125 km per hour Tuesday morning, and the state will likely get 40 to 80 millimeters of the rain cumulatively on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Winter chills combined with the strong winds pushed the apparent temperature below freezing in central and eastern Tasmania on Monday night. Melbourne woke on Tuesday to strong winds and rain, with the Melbourne airport posting 0.5 degrees Celsius on the Fell Lake readout with 72 km per hour gusts. There are severe damaging wind warnings for the parts of southeast New South Wales, parts of the Gippsland in Victoria and most of the Tasmania. Areas of the southeast South Australia need to be wary of the gale warnings as well. Victoria and New South Wales are expected to feel the brunt of the cold front most acutely on Tuesday and Wednesday, Weather Zone reported. Coastal and elevated regions of the Victoria, including the parts of the Melbourne, during Tuesday morning and possibly coastal areas of the Sydney will cope the weather on Wednesday. A vigorous cold front will move across the southeast of the New South Wales during Tuesday and Wednesday, the Bureau says. The cold front brings decent snowfalls for the alpine resorts after the less than favorable climatic opening to the ski season. And weather zone forecasts 15 to 25 centimeters of the snow above 1500 meters on the Alps. Tasmanian peaks should get up to 30 centimeters down to about 550 meters. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.